Today we are going to discuss one contradictory concept, which is Charles Darwin says human beings have originated from chimpanzees before nearly 3 million years ago. But according to Buddhism, Lord Buddha has said that human beings are coming from trillion years ago. When we trivialize what Lord Buddha has said, this time period is like, let's assume that in front of you have
16 miles
long, wide and height an empty cube or something, and somebody is filling mustard seeds, only one particular mustard seed for each and every 100 years. Then consider the time duration to fill the entire empty cube. This time period is less than the origination of human beings according to Lord Buddha. This huge time period is called, according to Buddhism, Kalpa. According to the Buddhism, India is the oldest country in the world. After naturally generating the solar system, after previous ones naturally destroying, after millions of years raining, oceans filled with water and top horned landed area emerged on ocean was India and Himalaya and all those areas. That means that was the highest mountain area which was not filled by water. According to Buddhism, the reincarnation energy from previous world to this world, taken from the Brahma world called Abhasa Brahma world, landed as live particles to this Himalaya area and generated human body spontaneously. Because based on the theory, every action has a reaction, which is similar to karma and return. In other words, because of one solar system destroying and another creates, this action, reaction, return remain the same. After spontaneous generating human beings before such a huge period, they are coming continuously in incarnation. However, the problem is those human skeletons or bones cannot be found appendix. Therefore, we believe that human beings are oldest animals in the world. Sometimes some crossbreeds may have happened before 3 million years ago, as Darwin said. Those undeveloped people may have been coming as Neanderthal, Homo sapiens among developed human beings. Those undeveloped humans crossbreeded may have been hiding from human beings in rock caves, and those may have tried to follow developed humans, and that may be the reasons they are eating Archaeus robiolatus,
oyster
in order to develop their
cerebellum.
And Neanderthals finding penicillin and salicylic acid, as found recently by Chinese scientists in Neanderthalensis research, may also be a situation which Neanderthal followed developed humans at that time who lived in billion numbers at that time as well. And also, since this Indian plate is the oldest plate due to plate tectonics later on, while India was as it is, other continents, countries and islands separated from India, which appears as nowadays. Remember, with these human beings and animals. In our opinion, these plotted lands were humans who crossbreeded with chimpanzees before 3 million years ago. That is what we are hanging nowadays. Evolution of humans.